morning. My name is Jeff Del Rosa. I'm founder of ProMAXX, and today we're going to show you a little bit more of our product line, the marine line, and show you how well that works. What we're looking at is a 1996 36-foot carver. As you can see, the sides of the boat have the hull has suffered from some serious UV damage. It's taken the color, the gloss all out of the white. And our objective today is to show you how we can bring that back and restore it to factory finish real quickly.
I begin by adding a small amount of compound on the pad versus the side of the boat. That keeps the compound moist, not allowing it to dry out, and it spreads more evenly when I begin. Place your buffer on the surface of your boat, and once in contact, turn your buffer on and polish vertically first, and then horizontally second, alternating back and forth, and to cover roughly a 2 foot by 2 foot section. Unique with our compound is it starts out towards the aggressive side to remove your dirt, the scratches, and UV damage. But as you continue to buff, our product is designed to actually break down into smaller, and finer particles, which will remove any remaining swirl marks, bringing the surface to an absolute brilliant shine.
In just a few minutes, we're able to clean that up really nicely. And once again, you can use an orbital buffer, a random orbital like I did, a rotary buffer, or even the handheld, double handheld ones you can pick up at any of the home centers or retail stores. The point is the product works very, very well. It makes keeping your boat clean and protected throughout the summer against salt water, wind, damage, ultraviolet sun, all that stuff. It keeps it nice and fresh, so it shows off the finish and keeps the finish protected for the entire season. Thanks so much for watching.